Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to know if someone paused their location on Find My iPhone. Now it's very easy. I want you to first go ahead and just launch this app. This is the Find My location application on your phone. And then once you're here, you come to the bottom left and you click on people. Okay, this icon right here. And you'll basically see all the people who can see your location, right? You just tap on this plus icon right here, the right side of the screen, and then click on share my location. And here you'll find all the people you can share location to. You can go ahead and search them up or add a new one. Click on this plus icon. And once you've found that person, you come here, click on send, and you can choose the duration you want to share location for, the 1 hour till the end of the day or indefinitely, and basically forever. So you choose your option. And then right here, you'll see them showing up. And if you see this right here, no location found, that means that this person stopped sharing their location on iPhone. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.